The National Investigation Agency has made key revelations in the Delhi Red Fort area car blast case. The agency said a charge sheet accused allegedly used artificial intelligence tools for terror engineering. The case is linked to a major explosion that took place in the national capital on November 10th last year. Officials said the accused is associated with an offshoot of the global terror network Al-Qaeda. The group linked in the probe is Ansar Ghazwat ul Hind. It is connected to Al-Qaeda in the Indian subcontinent. Both organizations are banned in India. According to the charge sheet, the accused Jasir Bilal Wani played a technical role in the module. He was described as an in-house engineer of the group. He allegedly provided support in designing and testing explosive devices. The investigation also found links to two doctors involved in the conspiracy. One of them, Dr. Umar An-Nabi, is said to have driven the explosive laden car. Another accused, Dr. Adil Ahmed Radar, the allegedly supplied materials used in making improvised explosive devices. This included chemicals like powdered the sugar and potassium nitrate. Officials said the accused carried out experiments in the forest area of Anantnag in Jammu and Kashmir. They reportedly tested rocket-style IED in the remote location. The activity was carried out along with other co-accused persons. The charge sheet, with runs over 7,500 pages, was filed on May 14th in a special NIA court in New Delhi. It details what investigators described as a laboratory-like approach to bomb making. Officials said the group attempted to refine explosive devices with technical precision. A major finding in the probe is the alleged misuse of online platforms. The accused reportedly searched YouTube and ChatGPT for information related to making rockets and explosive mixtures. Investigators said this reflects the use of digital tools in terror planning. The NIA said Jasir Bilal Wani was introduced to other accused through a network of contacts. He reportedly stayed at Al Falah University campus in Faridabad during 2024-2025. During this time, he is said to have provided technical assistance for the conspiracy. The probe also revealed that drones were part of the planned attacks. Officials said the accused were working on modifying unnamed aerial vehicles to carry explosives. These drones were reportedly intended for use against security installations. Security agencies said remnants of explosive devices were recovered during searches in forest areas. These recoveries were based on disclosures made by the accused during the interrogation. These recoveries were based on disclosure made by the accused during interrogation. The blast had killed 11 people and injured several others. It triggered a high-level security alert across Delhi. Investigations are still ongoing to identify wider connection in the terror module. Officials said the case highlights growing concerns over the misuse of technology. They added that both AI tools and online platforms were exploited for extremist the purpose, and further legal proceedings are underway in the special court. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.